So we are continuing with the chapter. We did rotation the last time. Now I will start with revolution. So I hope you saw the videos that I uploaded, and in that I also showed how the earth is rotating on its own axis and is rotating from west to east, and that is why we see the sun is rising from the east. Okay, now, so what is revolution? Now we will study about that. Okay, so while rotating on its axis, like I told you, the earth अपनी भी axis पे घूम रही है. तो while rotating on its axis, the earth is also revolving around the sun. अगर ये sun है और अगर ये earth है, wait, if this is the sun, okay, I am writing S, and this is the earth, we know the earth is tilted. तो अर्थ अभी यहाँ पे है, अर्थ अपने भी चक्कर काट रही है एंड सन के भी चक्कर काट रही है, ऐसे. ओके, सो वंस इट्स हियर, देन इट विल रीच हियर, देन इट विल रीच हियर, देन इट विल रीच हियर, एंड देन इट विल कम बैक हियर. ओके, सो दिस थिंग इज कॉल्ड रेवोल्यूशन. ओके, this movement is called revolution when the earth is rotating on its axis and is revolving around the sun. Now, the earth revolves along a fixed path called orbit. Now, what is it saying? Like today, it is not like कि आज earth straight line पे, एक साल के लिए earth straight line पे travel कर रही है sun के around, then एक साल बाद square में, then एक साल बाद circle में. It is not like that. It is not like that. It in fact is moving around the sun in a fixed path. Okay, और उस fixed path को we call orbit. Now, the orbit is oval in shape. I hope you all know the shape oval. How does it look like? This way. Okay, so now you place sun in the center. So you will see this is far away from the sun. This side is also far away from the sun. This is close to the sun. This is close to the sun. This is what the oval shape looks like, and the earth is traveling, is orbiting the sun in this oval shape. Okay, it takes the earth about 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. So if earth has to go around the sun, if this is the sun and earth is this, so if earth starts from here, अगर earth यहाँ से शुरू होके वापस से यहाँ पर आएगी, it will take 365 days. Okay, and this we call as 1 year or one revolution. Okay, I hope you understood this much. Okay, now, so what we will see is when the earth is revolving around the sun, what are the changes the earth is witnessing? So when the earth is revolving around the sun, there are seasons. Seasons, you have heard about seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. So these 4 seasons, they take place due to what? Revolution. Okay, due to revolution we have these seasons. Fine. The revolution of the earth causes 4 seasons, that is summer, autumn, winter and spring. Okay, these are the 4 seasons earth has when the earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, so see, this is the picture, and I will upload a video where I will try and explain how the sun is in the center and the earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, now see, this is the figure. See, this is oval. What did we study? That the orbit is oval in shape. Do you see the oval shape here? And see, this is far away from the sun. This side is also far away from the sun. this is close to the sun, this is close to the sun. This is how this leads to basically the different kinds of season the earth witness. Okay, इस revolving, जैसे अर्थ रिवॉल्व करती है, इसी की वजह से अर्थ पर अलग अलग सीजन्स होते हैं. ओके, फाइन. नाउ लुक एट द पोजिशन 2. At this position, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere gets more sunlight, therefore it is summer in this hemisphere. The days are longer than the nights. During this time, the South Pole is tilted away from the sun. The southern hemisphere gets less sunlight and therefore it is winter in this hemisphere. The days are shorter than the nights. See, I will explain you what it is saying. Just focus here. See, this is the sun. We can see this is the sun and this is the earth. And earth is tilted. Do you see the tilt here? This is the tilt. Fine. Now see, the earth, the sun rays are falling. Do you see the sun rays? The sun rays are coming here. Now, you see that since the tilt is here, this side, the sun rays will reach up till here. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही आएंगी. तो ज़्यादा सनलाइट कहाँ आ रही है? ज़्यादा सनलाइट इस एरिया में आ रही है. तो यहाँ पे इसीलिए क्या हो जाएंगी? समर्स. सिंस दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया इज़ रिसीविंग मोर सनलाइट, that is why it will have summers, and this area is receiving less sunlight, so it will have winters. Okay, you understood? Because of the tilt, this area is receiving more sunlight, this side, and this area is receiving less sunlight, and that is why summer in the northern hemisphere. Wait, I'll just clean this. So if we divide the earth, this, what line is it? I hope you remember, this is equator. So this here, northern hemisphere will witness summer, and this area, southern hemisphere, will witness winters. Understood? And since this area is receiving more sunlight, इस area में ज़्यादा area पर sunlight आ रही है, तो जब earth will revolve, the earth will rotate on its own axis, it will take the larger time, the large part will have day and night will be shorter. But here जहाँ पे sunlight कम आ रही है, इस वजह से यहाँ पर days छोटे होंगे and nights लॉन्ग होंगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सनलाइट पहले से ही कम है. तो जब अर्थ रिवॉल्व करेगी तो उस वजह से यहाँ पे डेज शॉर्ट हो जाते हैं और नाइट्स लॉन्ग हो जाती हैं. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. नाउ इट इज सेइंग, लुक एट द पोजिशन 4. द साउथ पोल इज टिल्टेड टुवर्ड द सन. द southern hemisphere gets more sunlight. This time the southern hemisphere is getting more sunlight. Since this area is getting more sunlight, that means southern hemisphere will have summers, and during this time north pole is tilted away from the sun. Okay, so just a minute, let me rub it. Okay, now the northern hemisphere gets less sunlight, therefore winter in the northern hemisphere. Okay, now the tilt is on the now the tilt is same, but the position of the earth has changed, like we will see now. See, this is position 4. Now sun rays are falling here. Just focus on this much. Now you see, this is position 4. The sun rays are falling here. Now this area is receiving more sunlight because it's this area, this particular area, the southern hemisphere is receiving more sunlight, and the northern hemisphere, see, tilt इस तरफ है ना, तो हम लोगों का इक्वेटर कैसे जाता है? The equator passes this way. So this area is away from the sun. The northern hemisphere का आधा area is this side. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएंगी? Winters. This area is near, so this area will have summers. Okay? I hope you understood this much. क्योंकि ये एरिया पास हो गया है अर्थ के, सन के, सो इसीलिए यहाँ पर क्या होंगी? समर्स. और ये एरिया विच इज़ द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर दूर है, इज़ फार अवे फ्रॉम द सन नाउ, सो दिस विल हैव विंटर्स. ओके, एंड ऑल दिस इज टेकिंग प्लेस ड्यू टू revolution. Okay, fine. Now Now, look at the position 1 and 3. When the earth in these positions, the sun rays falls directly on the equator. As a result, the length of the days and nights become the same throughout the world. It is neither very hot nor very cold in both the hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has spring in position 1 and autumn in position 3. The southern hemisphere in third, the southern hemisphere has autumn in position 1 and spring in position 3. Now we will see what it is saying. See, now see here, the sun is here and the earth is here. ओके अब यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों साइड में अर्थ सन के पास है. द अर्थ इज़ नियर टू द सन एंड दैट इज़ वाई यहाँ पे अब ठंड ज़्यादा नहीं होगी ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी. इन फैक्ट वी विल हैव सीजन्स लाइक स्प्रिंग एंड autumn. Okay, fine, these are the two seasons the earth will witness. Fine, so इस time पे the earth will receive equal amount of sunlight since it is receiving, the equator is receiving the sunlight now. Okay, the upper portion will have spring, the lower portion will have autumn. Okay, now see here, this side when you have the earth, now it is also receiving the sunlight. Okay, where the equator part is receiving the sunlight. Fine, the equator is receiving the sunlight here. So now this portion will have autumn and this will have spring. See, it's easy to remember which one will have what. If you remember this, see here, just a minute. If you see, this is the north pole is this side. The north pole has winters. Winters के बाद क्या आता है? Spring. That और यहाँ पे southern hemisphere में we have summers. और summers के बाद क्या आता है? Autumn. Okay. So this is how. यहाँ पे north pole में spring आ जाएगा and south pole southern side में we will have autumn. The same way when this side, if you look at this one, यहाँ पे समर्स थी, नॉर्थ पोल वॉज हैविंग समर्स, तो समर्स के बाद क्या आता है? ऑटम. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? ऑटम. अब नॉर्थ साउथ सदर्न साइड में क्या थी? विंटर्स. तो विंटर्स के बाद क्या आता है? विंटर्स के बाद आता है स्प्रिंग. तो यहाँ पे फिर स्प्रिंग आ जाएगा. ओके, सी दिस एरिया विल रिसीव स्प्रिंग. I will try to explain you the same with the help of a video I will upload. So if you still have any doubts, you can ask. All right. Okay, so it's a fact here. The earth actually takes 365 and a half, 1 by 4. It's 1/4. You know 1 by 4, if you add 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 times. 4 times this, no sorry, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, like this is like 4 times. It makes 1. Okay, and that is equal to 1 day. So earth actually में 365 1 by 4 days to go around the sun, but a year has 365 days. So every 4 years we add a day to the month of Feb. That year is called leap year and has 366 days. That is why the leap year has 1 day extra. Why? Because हम लोग overall number ले रहे हैं. Okay, fine. So with this, the chapter is complete. We will take up the question answers after this. Okay, bye.